In today's video, I will show you how to quickly make a presentation using Gamma AI. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Gamma.app. Once you're logged in, you can now see the main dashboard. From here, click Create New with AI. You will see a few options. For this tutorial, choose Generate. Now you can describe the presentation you want to create. For example, I'll type create clean, modern presentation about productivity tips. After that, you can choose how many cards or slides you want. I'll keep it short for now, so let's choose 5 cards. You can also leave the card design mode on classic and the card size on default. Once everything looks good, I'll click Generate Outline. Gamma will instantly create a full slide outline with structured sections. You can review and make small adjustments if needed. Scroll down, and from here you can customize the text content. On the visual sections, you will now see the themes. You can also customize an image source, an image model, image art style. For example, I'll choose abstract. For the last one, there's an optional extra keywords. You can add on a text box or choose from below. Once you're done, click Generate again to build the slides. While your presentation is generating in just a few seconds, you can check out some few features here on the right side panel. There's a smart layouts, smart diagrams, and more. Okay, once you click any section to fine-tune the layout, you will see on the upper left side, you can click 3-dot menu, card styling, edit with AI. If you want to switch styles, click themes located on this tab. You have many options to choose from here. And once you're happy with the result, click share button. From here, you can share a link to present directly inside the Gamma. Export the slides in different formats or embed on your website. To see the overall look, click the present button. And that's it. That's how you can quickly create a professional presentations using Gamma AI. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.